Good morning. So today's a very green day. So I've been watching YouTube videos since like 2008, 2009. But the content that I really started gravitating towards was fall content or decor content. When I lived in my childhood home, I didn't really have much space, money, time to decorate. So now that I'm a full-fledged adult and I have some shmoney, I can do it. And I have gone a little overboard. In my head, the fall winter season starts with the Burr months, so September, October, November, December. Since September, I've been buying stuff for Halloween. Yeah, and it's exciting and it's fun, and I'm gonna share it with you today because this video is all gonna be about fall content. So we're gonna be cozy. I got this mug for like $5 at IKEA, and every time I drink out of it, it just reminds me of fall already. So I'm using that espresso mocha pot thingy that I also got from IKEA for $20, and it's amazing. But yeah, it is currently 7 a.m., the usual morning lineup, and I'm going to go get started on work. So I worked in a finance firm and I switched over to HR. Today's gonna be exciting because today, the most boring day I've had in a while. So it'll be like the perfect fall content day to light the candles, do the things. I'm getting 2 shipments today from Amazon, one being hangers, boring, and another being a keyboard. So TikTok made me buy that pink keyboard, and it's really cute. I'll still use it to this day. But the only issue with that keyboard is that the keys are kind of far apart, so it strains my hands to type. And then number 2 is that the keys sometimes get stuck because it's not the best keyboard. So I went on Amazon. It says gaming keyboard. These like cheap gaming keyboards, I don't know how well they'll last, but it looks better. Anyways, on to some more fall content. I'm not gonna lie, most of my day just looks like this. Get some good blue light glasses. Currently have like 4,000 screens in front of me, so. Since I'm training for a new job right now, I did not have time to eat much, so I ended up getting a snack, which was a whole wheat piece of toast. My cousin got me on the maple butter spread from Trader Joe's, and it's delicious. And then I put cinnamon on top, and then I dip it in almond butter. Here are the remnants. I ate it really fast. If I had blueberries or bananas, that would have been really good with this, but perfect fall snack. Don't mind the glasses marks, but since I am on my lunch break, I can show you all around and show you the fall things in my bedroom. Hey, I'm in my living room now and I finished the workday. So I'll go ahead and show you the rest of the living room and dining room because there are pumpkins everywhere. There are so many cute fall pieces that my cousin and I have got for the apartment. So here you go. I'm not gonna lie, y'all, I'm kind of sad. My keyboard did not, in fact, come in today. I don't know what happened. It was on Amazon, so I wonder, it just said like there was an error and there's a return to shipment. That has happened to me once before, and it accidentally like issued me a return, but I got all the items, so hopefully it still comes. I ordered it again and it's supposed to arrive tomorrow. So not too big of a delay. So this would usually be the time where I would light my candles. I have a couple on the ledge I got from the dollar section at Target, and I have a Bath & Body Works candle going in something cashmere, in cozy cashmere, and it has the prettiest pink packaging. And I also got another Bath & Body Works, the vanilla bean candle, and those are like super fall to me. Usually I'd be lighting those candles right about now, but I can't lie to you. As of this year, I mean, I've always had it, but as of this year, I officially found out I had asthma. So candles really trigger my asthma. And I was getting to the point of fall candles, of lighting them, knowing to have my inhaler on hand because I'm like, oh, I'm gonna need it later, and opening all the windows. And I also always have my air purifier on while my candles are running. So it kind of defeats the purpose because the smell kind of goes away, but like you can kind of smell it. and it makes me feel cozy. That was my boyfriend. He and I are doing long distance. He is on the East Coast, I'm on the West Coast. So we're going to watch Bachelor in Paradise, and then he's calling it a night, but I might go to Target. We love Bip. Well, that was fun. I hope you enjoyed all of the fall content. I really enjoyed decorating my apartment, my room, for this season. It was so great. I can't wait to use these decorations year after year. But I just wanted to end off the video with a couple goals for the end of the year, just because I like to goal set. I kind of want to practice being more mindful, just in everything that I'm doing. And I want to do this by practicing gratitude. Every time I practice gratitude in my life on a daily basis, it has always had the most positive outcome. So I want to keep doing that. Easier said than done, but keep pushing, right? I have a couple fall activities with a book that I'm reading usually, a couple magazines, my Switch, and my iPad, things that aren't my phone. But I usually end up playing games on my phone, so we'll see how that works. But yeah, I hope you enjoy the video, and I'll see you next time. Bye. Psych, I'm here. It's the next day because look what came in. It is baby's first mechanical keyboard. It feels so small, it's so cute. Oh my gosh. Typing test. So I opted for switches that weren't super loud, so when I worked it wouldn't annoy anyone on the call. My nails are kind of long, so it's kind of hard to type, but listen to this. And then, so perfect. I love it.